Hey friends, so I'm just finishing up my ABC train. So this is the last of the letters. So we left off at letter N. Alright, so I need to add a few more train cars. And then I will finish mine out, and then I will bring it to the neighbor and see if he would like to do it and practice his letters. So I hope everyone has had a great time at home with family and getting some learning in and playing with brothers or sisters. So proud of everyone for doing their work and being good for their parents, right? Can't wait to get together soon so we can celebrate all you have done through preschool, all the hard work. Hope everyone is getting outside when the weather is nice. Had some rainy days, but hopefully warm weather is here to stay. And if anyone has done the ABC train, I'd love to see some pictures of it on Facebook. Alright, so 2 more. Maybe you can also share on Facebook what some fun stuff you guys like to do outside or on rainy days. I saw some cute videos of Landon doing Jurassic Park animals and dinosaurs with his brothers. And I see some kiddos learning to ride their bike with no training wheels, which is super awesome. So proud of you. Some preschoolers are even losing their teeth and getting visits from the tooth fairy. That's also super fun. Alright, I think I am set on adding my letters, cars. Alright, so let's go back. I'd love to see what you guys designed for your car trains, or your train cars. Like if you gave it windows or if you did straight lines. Please share, we'd like to see that. Alright, so I am going to, let's see, I'm on. Alright, we'll give it a window, another window. I'd love to see all your different designs on how you did your train car, and even I would like to see some engines, how you guys did your engines. So I'm going to keep working on mine, and feel free to share yours on Facebook. Have mom or dad post it and you can tell us about it. And even if you have your Smarty Pants on and you finished all the lowercase, and if you did the uppercase on back, it would be super cool. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Bye.